Hello guys, so today we're going to see how to create the RS feed in a AS.NET Core application. So let's go directly and create the RS feed. So that's cool. So before going to do that, I'll let explain like what's RS field and how it will be. So basically this is an XML file. By defining RS, and you can define the version, there is a two tag which is a channel, and in the channel we have the property like tag like title, link, description, copyright, and the item tag. So item is the item which is you are want to feed to the RS. That is what the things. So let's go deep. So basically RS field contain the channel. So it's basically in the RS field page you have to define the channel title, that is your RS feed related information, or your website information you can, and this is the link of your RS field URL. So we suppose that like you have the website .com/RS feed, then that's what it will come here, and description is about your RS feed. Okay, and then the copyright of information about the RS feed of the website, that it will become here. And this is the item. So item is the other URL which you want to place in the RS field. It is like a child item of the channel. It holds the updated content whatever the website which the browser will be syndicate and display. Okay, and that what here, and the title is the title of that item, and the description is again the description of the item, and the link of that item URL. Okay, so that URL you have to be defined here, and the GUID is a unique identifier which you can pass it here, and then the published date. So this is the place where you have to give you the published date of that URL. Okay, fine. So let's how to build that in your application. I going to show you by very simple. Okay, so here I just created one method called okay, just okay, something like okay, we call it as a meaningful name, add data. Okay, okay, I just have my list here, so which I am adding the some dummy data. So this is the data, you can get it from the database. So currently I am not connecting any database, so just I am just adding this in the whenever this RS action get hited, so it will be added that data to here. Okay, fine. So when I call this method, so it will add the data, and this is my list, so that I am passing to the view. Okay, cool. So that's hopefully done. So our data is part is ready. So next let's go to the RS feed view, which is the associated the action which I created, the view which is there in my home. Okay, cool. So here I going to define the model for that view, which is enumerable. Okay, the data model, yes, this is what the model which I am using, which is here, which is placed under the model folder. Okay, hopefully cool. Okay, which is collection. Okay, fine. So let's go and check is it the value it's coming to the RS field. Okay, so what we'll do, okay, just get model dot count. So okay, so let's just run this. I just go without debug mode. Okay, Finally it's loaded, so it's giving me the 4 count, so cool. Okay, so what we'll do next is just remove this, and let's make it no layout for this page. So okay, I defined, because I don't want to inherit any master. Cool. So let's start building the RS field. Let's go to the image. So we need to write this code here now. So let's tell that this page is a XML version. Okay, cool. Okay, okay. So now let's go and define the RS tag. So current the version I'm going to use is 2.0. Okay, so next part is need to define the channel. Okay, then the title tag for the RS field. Okay, fine. So let's go and define our channel. So so we call it as our website name, whatever your website you can give, or the title related to the RS feed. Okay, and the information which is needed for the title. So I call it this, and go freelancer uh, feed tutorials. Okay, sorry, in the description, and the link you can provide this link. Okay, whatever the link you can dynamically place over there. Okay, and copyright, go freelancer. Okay, all rights reserved. Okay, you can give it whatever the thing. And next thing is we need to add the items. Okay, cool. So item what at all required? So basically title, description, link, and the publish date. Okay, fine, cool. So which already we have. So just copy this and put it here. And additionally, we need GUID and pub date. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's go and remove this all the stuff, and yeah, cool. So we have our tags ready. So now we'll start build the dynamic. So let's go and do the for each. Okay, where item in the model. Okay, just put this item inside that. Okay, cool. So now we have in our model title, that's we're going to give here item dot title, then the link something we like RS feed details, okay, or something like home details, and yeah, so ID or okay, the item dot ID. Okay, so cool. Then the next thing is for the description, item dot description, and GUID is my unique ID. I going to pass here ID, and publish date is publish date. Item dot publish date. Cool. Okay, so all fine. So one thing is that we are getting an error because it's not the tag of HTML. So what we need to do is we just add the symbol. Okay, in the loop. So let's go and build this. Okay, no need to build because it's a view. So let's go and refresh. Let's see how the things works, and if any error we are getting, let's check. Yes, so no error. So it's getting working. So let's go and check the page source. See, my RS field is get filled whatever we expected result, it's coming out. So under the channel, so it's defined the channel details, and it's include the items, because I have 4 items which is added in the controller level. So this you can pick it from the database and you can pass it, so it will work as what we require. So this is the title, this is the URL link. When you feed it, so it's get you it will get mapped with this URL. Okay, and whatever the URL which is dynamically for this item you want to display, so details, because this all the URL, so all the data which have a specific URL where you want to show some data, so that you can pass it over in the items link. So hopes you understand. If you have any doubt queries, you can share your comments in the comment section. If you not subscribed our channel before, just go and subscribe. There is a subscribe button below, so that you get the regular updates like that.